Hey, and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. Then in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create consistent character, like you can create a man, woman and any images like similar 3 4 5 6 images. It's for 100% free of cost. So this link I'll attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to first log in with your Gmail. This is enough. So just click on image generations, then paste your prompt. I created this prompt using ChatGPT. You can use 3.5 version ChatGPT. It's absolutely for free. You don't need any cost, any single money. So just Leonardo style, add a negative prompt, then this is not need, then click on generate it. When you click generate, then you got 4 images like similar. You can use those images for social media and any other things. If I want to click this here, you can see these 4 images are absolutely consistent because of this woman sit in a tree. This is also, but dress are different, and this also different, and this is also different. So I want to download an image, so just click this icon, then already downloaded. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.